Ani, Kenny Pheasant with our show Dying. And this is our series on article words, this, that, these, and those, both animate and inanimate way. Short little videos, okay, for you to learn. And again, I want to say this was a request, and I've been putting it in the back burner for a long time, but it was time to make it because I told Mama I would. All right, so I'm following Mama's instructions here. All right, so article words. The article words you're going to use on this lesson is nenda and newe. So food is plural and inanimate, and the people are plural. All right, so nenda and newe are the article words, and the question marker is wegnesh. So here again, the person says, Kwejim gewe weganesh nenda. Second person says to third person, weganesh newe. Third person says, bejizaganan newe. Second person says to first person, bejizaganan gien newe. Eating food, past tense, okay? Inanimate food. All right. Kwejim gewe weganesh gamijuat. Weganesh gamijek. Gokosh nagjinsan ngimij nanen. Okay. And the second person says to the first person, Gokosh nagjinsan gien yimij nawan. Okay. Cooking food, inanimate food, future tense now. Okay. Kwejim gewe weganesh wam nazmawat. Second person says, weganesh wam nazmek. Third person says, eshon gwa nuim nazananen. And second person says, eshon gien wim nazanawan. Okay? All right. K, minondikit. Apchundum boje winwe K. All right. Okay. We got one more to shoot. All right. So, miigwech gabzindoyak. Wait for the next one to come out. All right. Miigwech. Wingezik sana.